Welcome to Lesson 3, Building a Foundation, Reference Tools, Monographs, in the Library Catalog. This lesson will cover 3 main learning outcomes. 1, to demonstrate a foundational understanding of a procedure for locating books for a research topic. Number 2, to assemble introductory resources for the Pathfinder Research Framework. And number 3, to recognize the organization of the library classification system. The building a foundation in some ways describes that step of getting to the books that are necessary for your research. So as you read in Stebbins in Chapter 2, pages 21 through 40, notice the Stebbins will introduce you to a strategy for locating books and e-books. And obviously with the vast amount of books that are there, you need to be able to decide which books you should engage with and which ones you should be left aside for other time or for the fact that they're not relevant to your research. And one of the tools for that is concept mapping. Concept mapping is a way in which you can figure out what's going to be important to your study, what's not going to be important, and what should be set aside for future studies as well. And so you should look at that as you go through that part of your assignment. From the concept mapping, you're going to develop your keywords, and those keywords are also going to be most likely aligned accordingly with the subject headings that you're going to find as you use the library catalog, or the other way around. Some of the subject headings from the library catalog can help you identify keywords for your study. So what we're really talking about here is developing an effective research strategy. The Pathfinder, you're starting now to work on that. You're going to work with the introductory section of the Pathfinder, which introduces you to the introductory resources, the subject introduction and reference books. And if you remember this, what we talked about, these are the first areas that you work with in terms of getting your broad overview of your research. So you have lecture handouts to read and to work with. One is the library classification system. If you don't know how books are organized, you're going to waste a lot of time. And so you should take advantage of that, especially in your area of research. And then using the Crowell Library Catalog. If you're taking this course completely online, this will be your primary way in which you will locate resources. And you should familiarize yourself with that. Also recognize that the library catalog interface changes from time to time, but the general backbone should stay the same. So that's what you're working with for this class, and hopefully you will get a handle on the importance of locating books in the library, the way that library books are organized, and specifically how the Crowell Library itself is laid out.